Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing BurnFlow. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a supplement that helps you burn fat and helps with your weight management. So as you can see, we have it here pulled up on Walmart, and as you can see that they have 355 seller reviews. However, they have 0 reviews here on their customer ratings. So only the seller has a 3.7 review, but the product itself doesn't have any reviews. And if you really want to buy this product, I would advise you to research into it and do some more research before actually buying this product, since I haven't found, or there is no current information about this product yet on the internet. So if you really want a supplement that helps you burn fat, I would advise you to buy another supplement that is already trusted and already famous. And furthermore, supplements like this aren't a miracle product. You're supposed to supplement this with exercise or diet in order for you to burn fat or lose weight. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.